What is going on, Nitro gang? This is a vintage 2002 HPI Savage. Can the Savage survive a kid? I'm gonna get you a Nitro soon. Joining me today, we have Nitro gang queen Melissa.
What's up, you guys?
Can you please remove the body? I want to give the people a view on exactly what a vintage Nitro truck looks like under the shell. Here we go. HPI Savage 21. Think of it this way. You have the HPI Savage. You are yelling 2-speed baby. But then you get stuck somewhere. You need to go reverse. This one has the optional reverse module. We will test it all out. You see a jump and you tell yourself, man, my Savage has massive, huge suspension movement. And then you take a look at Nitro gang queen Melissa and she tells you, you can probably jump this house. Did you tell me that today?
Yes.
She told me that today. I think eventually we're going to have to jump some sort of house, guys. Everybody wants to know, what's your favorite thing about the HPI Savage?
This 2-speed baby.
Oh yeah, you got it right. I love it as well. Electronics are functional. Only thing is, my steering servo saver is kind of terrible. It is extremely soft, but there's nothing I can do about it. Technically, this will be my first real road test on this 2002 vintage Nitro Classic. First thing, I hope the old OS air filter housing fits the modern Traxxas air filters. It should be the same size. Unless there's been some kind of major revelation in air filters, it should technically fit. Melissa, can you take one of these out of here for me, please? Mm-hmm. They're oiled, so be a little bit gentle with them. Okay, hold it for a second there. All right, so what we're gonna have to do, yeah, give it to me. All right, so it looks like, I'm not sure if this central portion here is necessary. Can you remove this for now? Remove that, yeah, plastic part. Let me just slide this in. All right, seems to be fitting fairly normal. You know what? I think we need that part. It's a little bit loose over there. I could see the housing has a little bit of extra space there. So if you can, just put it back in there. Or I'm going to try to slide the air filter over it. Let's see. This is not exactly designed for this. That's the problem, guys. I have to really shimmy it in there, so to say. I'm hoping when I install the housing on top, it'll just seat itself. Let's hope, guys. If not, well, I don't know if I'm going to risk running this Savage. Even though I already said in the intro to this video, we're gonna run it. We're not gonna run it to try to kill it, if you know what I'm saying. We're gonna run it safely. All right, well, I've screwed it in. It appears to be normally seated now. If you can remove this rubber housing from the air filter, yeah, just rip it out. Pretend it's the tax system ripping out your money from your paycheck. Good job. Okay. All right, it's installed. Do I have any obstruction here? No, there's no obstruction at all. Filter seems to be normal. We can leave that. That's okay. That's okay. All right, we need to do one more thing. We need to install the inline fuel filter. The inline fuel filter, basically this is like a run-of-the-mill Dubro one. Make sure if you get a fuel filter that it comes with a metal mesh screen on the inside. You almost cannot see it there, guys, but if you look through it, there is a mesh screen made out of metal on the inside there. There are other fuel filters that are available. They have like these terrible, you know, self-degrading foam elements. You really need to have a metal mesh screen or else your fuel filter is basically useless. I've connected it back to the carburetor. Now we just need to get this installed. And we're ready to prime it and fire it up. Well, we're gonna have to do a little tune job on it also, you know. Can't run rich if you didn't tune well enough. Oh, who do we got here? How you doing? What did you just say? You said we gotta try it out? Oh, he wants to put the body on the car. Yeah, yeah. Flip it around. Flip it around. Put it down. Melissa, he needs some track assistance.
Yes.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Lucky the body has taken a beating over here. Yeah. Baby Alex over here. Hey, baby Alex. High five. High five. High five. No high five? You too busy to high five? He's too busy.
Baby Alex.
Oh.
No, be careful. With
Savage. Can the Savage survive a kid? Time to prime it. Hopefully there's fuel in the system. We're gonna watch fuel line. Okay, yeah. There's definitely fuel in the system. Everything works. All right, guys, this is gonna be the moment of truth. Vintage Savage. I got kids running around over here. They're trying to steal my nitros. Actually, trying to play with it. But you know, kids don't understand. They think this is like a little, like what is it? Thomas the Train truck or something? I don't know. Whatever. Oh, let's do it. Everybody, get ready. Oh yeah. Great start. That was an easy start, guys. 60 Savage. All right, warm it up a little. Warm up. Brakes are good, brakes are good. Running good. It even wants to play soccer over here. Oh, we got stuck? We need reverse? Somebody want reverse, huh? We'll get reverse. Watch this. Reverse, baby, reverse. All right, we want forward? We want forward. Let's go. Can't kill a Savage. This is a nice yard. Can't kill a Savage. Stick it in. Sickening Savage. I'm gonna chase you, Melissa. I'm chasing you. Look at that steering. Oh, she tricked me. Crazy low end power. Sick. Oh, what about reverse, huh? We got reverse. We got full reverse. Forward. feel it though. Alright guys, gotta love the Savage. Let's shut it down, let's shut it down. Running great, motor is good, no heat issues. Awesome, awesome. You want to drive it? He wants to drive it, but the thing is you gotta grow up like 4 years, you know? Oh, he's about to kill the AM radio. Сейчас, мы тебе дадим. Мы дадим. Она выключена, давай заведем. Хочешь завести? No, we can't cry. Don't you have a Hot Wheels? We're gonna get you a Nitro soon. Мы тебе купим машинку, ты хочешь? У тебя есть машинка. He wants to burn Nitro, guys. Well guys, I think we had a massive success. No runaways, no failures. The engine runs beautiful, it runs smooth, and the best is we're gonna get a little Nitro Gang buddy in this hobby soon. That's right, he wanted to run rich and loud. I want to say guys, thank you so much for watching. There will be more on this awesome vintage 2002 HPI. We will be yelling 2-speed baby. Today was just kind of a first test. Special thanks to my Patreon supporters, my channel members. It's because of viewers like you that I am able to keep making more Nitros great again. See you guys in the future.
It all started with an HPI.